Like, there's hardly any left in there, so you gotta shave it. I mean, there's stuff in it.
So you gotta wet it first?
How are we gonna wash this thing?
How are you gonna get your teeth in, dude?
I can't believe that. Mine gets fucking stuck. Mine comes out like nothing. Just like, like...
It's staged.
Gold, Jerry, gold.
Well, I didn't leave here with my key stuck in. That's what's important. I didn't leave with my key stuck in that door. Oh, God.
I just got stuck laughing.
Like, I need 5 more minutes to crack in.
This is all we fucking have is laughing.
Unless someone runs to, like, figure out a hardware store nearby. Go and grab some more.
You can probably just to the gas station.
We have Lou Perini's up the street.
Sounds like there's a lot in there, but there's no air.
Dude, that thing's been sitting in my car for like 4 years. I think that kind of thing was in my car before I even got the car. Like, don't give me that look like it would make it worse.
It's your fault.
It's my fault.
Let's remember who foreshadowed this situation. The guy behind the camera.
God damn it.
So I'm glad I have the camera. When you see something like this coming,
Well, we would have been in this situation when we tried to
right.
get in anyway. So fuck you guys. Let's not tell him, okay?
Yeah, the second that we got it like
just there's a key
What the fuck
stuck.
did you put another key in for, moron? Hey, Tony. Alright. No, I didn't break off. It's just in there. Yeah, it's just back in there. Oh, it just came out. It just came out.
Like Sword in the Stone.
Were you filming when you left that?
Yes, I was. Of course I was.
Today, the day we're having, of course. Okay, what should we do as far as the dog? It seems every time we use it. Well, that's why I put my key on, because it made sense at the time. Sorry. Seemed logic to get this all loose. That's why I wish we had the other side of the conversation. Are you fucking stupid?
You can cut that in.
You were just lucky enough to get your key out, and then you put yours in, you moron.
That'd be hilarious. Do the split screen, Tony on one side, just have him just be rating Mike on the other end. Mike's just.
You gotta go backstage though. I think he was just really stupid during this situation. You know, it's just a fucking moron. Fucking puts his key in after he finally gets his key out. What the fuck? Now he's on the phone with him. Okay, so we'll just try to lock it in. Oh wait, I'm getting. I love that. Okay, we'll just lock it in.
Have a good one.
I'm not locking that fucker.
Not it.
Four keys are dead. 2 of the 4 keys are dead. No, the 3 of us said we're not. So
Not it.
we'll film you, Justin. We'll alright, guys. Feel better, dude.
Yeah.
Stop causing problems, man. Stop causing problems.